here to make the world more happy, making greater and finer spirit of hope, love, peace, and achievement. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, or should I say, maaya po bengi kay kayungan. Standing in front of you, say 22-year-old Sonner, and I came all the way from the upland municipality of Banayuyo, Ilocos Sur. For tonight, allow me to be your one and only. Ang naging isang babaeng sagad sa ganda, sagad sa sarap, sagad sa init. Ang babaeng wag na wag mong hawakan, baka di mo nabitawan. Ang babaeng wag na wag mong tititigan, baka hindi mo natantanan. Ang naging isang babaeng patuloy na nagpapatibok sa puso ni Mr. Ryan Agoncillo, Miss Julian Santos. And I believe that pageants like this is more than just a showcase of beauty and body curves. This pageant is the best platform for each and every single homosexual to prove their worth in this society and show that BBs are also intellectually stimulating. Barangay Nambruangan, happy